Hey friends, welcome back to Desi Travel Explorers. आज इन द ईव ऑफ क्रिसमस हम चले दुबई। तो चलिए मैं आपको लेके चलता हूँ दुबई बिफोर क्रिसमस। स्टे अलोंग, लेट्स गो। सो इस वीडियो में मैं कवर करूँगा द डिटेल्स अबाउट ट्रैवल फ्रॉम बैंगलोर टू दुबई, द फ्लाइट डिटेल्स, when was our flight. So yeah, as you can see it is 1:14. हमारा flight was at 4:30 from terminal 2 Bangalore. हम लोगों ने around 3 hours before start किया था, around 12:30 को start किया था with an aim to reach Bangalore airport by around 1:30. So हम पहुंच गए. So it's 1:26. You can see they are all ready and Chandrani and Sharu is also there. We are all set. So because ये international है, international में Digi Yatra नहीं होगा. In the Digi Yatra queue, it's a manual check-in. जब आप लोग travel करोगे, this is something that you need to know. Please keep some time in hand so that you can go through the queue. So पहुँच गए हम. queue यहाँ पे है. Emirates का जो एकदम टर्मिनल 2 के सामने में ही हमको यहाँ पे एंट्री है. सो आने के बाद दिस इज़ द सेल्फ चेक इन है जो कि यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं आप. बट देन अगर सेल्फ चेक इन के बाद यू नीड टू टेक द क्यू फॉर द इकोनॉमी. कीप सम टाइम, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी अ लिटिल बिट बिफोर टाइम. हमारा फ्लाइट इज़ अराउंड 4:30. सो while it is around 1:37, हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं. प्लान ये है कि चेक इन कर जाएंगे एंड देन वी विल काइंड ऑफ वेट. आराम से अपना टाइम थोड़ा ये करेंगे, ईमेल कर लेंगे थोड़ा सा. बट द मेन अट्रैक्शन ऑफ दिस ट्रिप विल बी हाउ इज दुबई बिफोर क्रिसमस. सो बने रहिए, आई विल टेक यू अराउंड. So check-in was smooth. So at the counter एक काफ़ी लंबा क्यू था. They saw me vlogging. While हम लोग इकोनॉमिक क्लास की क्यू में थे, एमिरेट्स के स्टाफ ने हमें प्रेफर किया एंड बोला कि you can go into the business class queue. So thanks to Emirates. Another important thing is जब हम अपना टिकट्स ले रहे थे उस टाइम पे I think you need to keep your tickets ready and your visa ready. So we had the printout of the visa ticket and the visa, so that is very important. And you can see the places all around. ये है हमारा ड्यूटी फ्री, very very large, very modern, and अभी क्रिसमस के पहले है, so therefore you will also have some Christmas celebrations. Very nicely decked up. देखिए काफ़ी सारे डील्स भी चल रहे हैं अभी. So you will see Christmas celebrations, Christmas decorations all around. इस टाइम पे you have to keep watching of about कहाँ पे क्या डील्स है. हमेशा आप जब आओगे, बैंगलोर ड्यूटी फ्री इज़ वेल नोन द डील्स, सो ऑलवेज टेक लुक एट इट. शाम को जब आप आओगे यू कैन सी द स्टारबक्स. एक्चुअली ये जो जगह है ना, ये बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है, इतना वाइब्रेंट है. न्यू टर्मिनल 2 में रियली वर्थ इट. द सीलिंग जो है फुल लगता है, एंड दैट टू विद द सेंटा एंड विद द कॉस्मोस.
Just entering our gate, towards our gate rather, C5. So we are proceeding towards C5 now.
गए हैं. Now it is around 3:48 and we are now getting inside. So हम आके बैठ गए हैं. We have already taken other. Everybody is loading in. Total 2968 kilometers to Dubai. हम लोग सब आके बैठ गए. It's such an exciting feeling and very happy feeling traveling with the family. So our flight started. ये है हमारा flight schedule and our flight travel plan. The total distance between Bangalore to Dubai is around 2,698 kilometers. The flight duration is around 4 hours 10 minutes. It's a non-stop Emirates हम लोगों ने लिया था. मैं तो बहुत रिलैक्स था, even though it was early morning, but मैं कुछ तो वीडियो देख रहा था. These are some shots जो कि दुबई का एरियल व्यू. I wanted to ensure कि थोड़ा सा आपको इस मौके में दिखा दिया जाए. The population, some data points, population of Dubai is around 3.6 million and this is where we already landed. So Dubai is a city of skyscrapers. चलिए, let me take you.
Now landed, going towards our baggage claim area.
These are huge size lifts. Lift में you have to come to the arrival. The baggage. So this is the train that we came in. We went in. We had taken e-visa, so it was very quick. 1 minute and then we go in. In fact, visa के साथ we were given free SIM card per ticket. So that was a good surprise. So we came in here. This is the car pickup. I think it is because of weather or something. पता नहीं रात को. This is हमारा car which is already there. Mr. Aziz has been very helpful. Mr. Aziz, hello.
Hi, morning.
So
How are you?
good morning, and he's
Morning,
been very, very helpful, very friendly. I am meeting him for the first time, but I feel that I have already interacted and met with him. So my first impression, lovely, friendly person. So look forward to. So हमारा plan अभी ये है कि we will now go to Abu Dhabi, and we'll go to the Grand Mosque, and from there we'll go to the temple, and then we'll be back. So weather seems to be very, very good, bright and sunny today. So लग तो रहा है कि it will be a great day today. चंदानी, शारू, all sitting. कैसे लग रहा है आप लोगों को? First impression of Dubai.
Very neat and clean. All the roads are spick and span.
Okay, Burj Khalifa. So beautiful skyline of Dubai Marina. देखिए. So that metro rail going. Okay. So we just crossed Dubai Internet City. Dubai offices यहीं पे है. ग्लिम्स दिखा रहा हूँ शेख जायद रोड का. ये देखिए, दिस इज अ 6-lane one-way highway heads straight to Abu Dhabi.
In about 7 minutes. Let's say the United Arab Emirates. Then here the seven Emirates, your seven states, which is Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Fujairah, Al Quwain, and Ras Al Khaimah. That's the seven Emirates, the United Arab Emirates.
Entering Abu Dhabi. This is the border area. दुबई का जो रास्ता था उसका ब्लैक इन कलर, ये थोड़ा रेडिश इन कलर. If you take a look at it, ये जो लैम्प पोस्ट्स है, दुबई में it was a little spread, but this is kind of a roundish one. So this indicates that Abu Dhabi. So we drove 65 kilometers already, and Abu Dhabi is a lot of greenery, whereas Dubai, while it is modern, you will see very less greenery, and the ones that is green is there, those are all completely garden oriented. Natural greenery is not there. Here there is a lot of natural greenery. This is one of the other differences that I see in Abu Dhabi. Sheikh Zayed Bridge over Al Batta River. This is the first shot of Grand Mosque. हमारा जो स्लॉट है जाने का, this is at 11:45 to 12. ये जाने से पहले एक अपॉइंटमेंट लेना पड़ता है. So I went to the link called Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. They will give you scan code depending upon how many people are coming in. हम लोगों ने ले लिया है, मेरे पास स्क्रीनशॉट है, and so right now we will be going in. So this is beautiful. Where we are entering. Wow, beautiful. This is the parking area. So there are some rules that we need to abide by. For men, shots are not allowed. 3/4 shots are okay, but nothing lesser than that. So half shots are not allowed. For women, it has to have, the hands have to have fully covered, so it has to be fully covered till and the fingers. But if it is, let's say, the wrist is visible, then that's not allowed. And photography is allowed. This is in the entrance of the Grand Mosque. really large, बहुत बड़ा है, what majestic. So this is the entrance. We are actually walking inside. There are walkers. If you are disabled, if you are aged, you can also have these kind of carts. No problem. Majestic. Beautiful. Majestic. We just reached. चारों तरफ काफ़ी सारे डायरेक्शंस हैं, so no problem. So Grand Mosque के अंदर में ये है बिल्डिंग. हम लोग सब आ गए हैं. So चलिए, some data points for you. Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi is one of the largest and most stunning mosques in the world, renowned for its breathtaking architecture and cultural significance. हमारा visit was almost 2 hours, so इस वीडियो में आपको glimpse ही दिखा पाऊंगा. Grand Mosque का architecture has 82 white marble domes. The highest one is 106 feet. It accommodates 40,000 worshippers and is central place for prayer. It has the world's largest hand-knotted carpet, 5,700 square meters, and largest chandelier with Swarovski crystals. Inside में ये देखिए, stunning, absolutely एब्सोल्युटली स्टनिंग व्यूज। मैं जितना कैप्चर करके आपके साथ शेयर कर पा रहा हूँ, इट इज़ जस्ट, आई डोंट नो हाउ मच एम आई एबल टू कैप्चर, बट दिस इज रियली ग्रैंड, रियली ग्रैंड। दीज शैंडलियर्स आर वाओ, दीज आर, सो ये देखिए, these are the 3 replicas of the 3 mosques which are there. You can see how large it is. We had a wonderful time, and then we moved to BAPS Hindu Mandir. This is the glimpse of the BAPS Hindu Mandir. So BAPS Mandir is a remarkable architecture, and this was officially inaugurated in February 20. So temple is constructed with pink sandstone and white marble. Photography is not allowed, hence chote photographs and pictures हम लिए, and then we came back to Dubai. Like मैंने पहले बताया था, the Grand Mosque is really grand. आप जब जाओगे, whenever you're planning, please make it a point definitely to visit Grand Mosque and see the magnitude. It is a must visit, and along with that, visit the BAPS Mandir of Abu Dhabi as well. After that, हम वापस आए, like मैंने travel दिखाया था onwards, same route around 3 o'clock, 3:30, and then checked into our hotel. So that's about it that I wanted to cover for this video. I hope you liked the video. So बहुत कुछ दिखाने का था, but I can only show you in glimpse, नहीं तो ये बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. In my subsequent videos, there will be lot of in-depth about Dubai. So for this video, इतना ही. Hope you enjoyed the first Dubai visit episode, travel to Dubai and Abu Dhabi visit. Thank you very much for your time. Stay tuned for the next video, and until then, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.